I wish y'all could scratch and sniff the screen. Like, this smells so good. First off, like, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. I know you guys saw the title, so you already know what's up, guys. So in today's video, we will be doing another SCENTBIRD review. Yes, I have been adding to my perfume collection, saying what I like, what I don't like, what wears well on me, what is long lasting. So I am so happy that I signed up for this service. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, it is SCENTBIRD, which is a monthly subscription service where you're able to try out a different perfume every single month. I have been getting so many perfumes. Like next month, I told Bam, I'm gonna let you get one next month because they have scents for men as well. So I don't know how I'm gonna do a review for that, but yes. So today, we're coming with another video and I'm so excited for this one. This is a perfume I have smelled before, but it's been years ago and I've always heard positive, great reviews about this perfume. So I'm so excited to try it out. All right, y'all, so let's get right into it. So SCENTBIRD, you already know how it's coming. Yes, in this little mailer here. And so this perfume, yes, I am so excited for this one. Prada Candy, okay? The Prada Candy. As y'all know, I love the scents that make me feel sexy, that's very feminine. I love those type of scents. So I already know this did not come to play, okay? Alright, so the card reads that Prada Candy creates an aura of sensual mystery from just 3 notes: musk, benzoin, and caramel for an intimate and spicy sweet skin scent. So as you guys know, I love sweet smelling perfumes. I like sexy perfumes. I like for the perfume to make me feel sensual and sexy and feminine. So I think this is gonna be it. So the 3 notes are caramel, musk, and benzoin. So I'm also gonna insert a picture so that you guys can see what I'm reading as well. It comes in this little, I call it a capsule, but it's like a container. It just says SCENTBIRD on there. Full disclosure, I have already been spraying this, okay? I got this perfume probably about a month ago and I'm just making a video for it. But I have already been spraying this. I'm gonna be honest because y'all can see. But being that I've already been spraying this, I can give you guys a very honest review, right? Right. So let's go ahead and test it on the card. Whew, yes. Also, Bae loves this too. Hashtag Bae approved. This just, like, I wish y'all could scratch and sniff the screen. Like, this smells so good. First off, like, it's giving very much sexy. It's giving very much sexy. It's giving very much fresh. It's giving very much powdery. Like, when I first smell this, it gives me like notes of like baby powder, kind of like that type of scent, which smells really good and really fresh. I smell the caramel in here. This is when the way they describe this is to the T, okay? Smells sweet, sexy, feminine. This, yeah, this smells really, really good. I'm someone that likes my walk by air to smell good, and this makes your walk by air smell really good. Y'all probably like, walk by air?
That's true.
Yes, walk by air. When you walk by somebody, what they smell. You don't want it to be funky, okay? But this, it just smells so good. Oh, I cannot get enough. Out the gate, this is a repurchase. I am already gonna order the big size bottle when I go to Macy's, like, no doubt about it. I can wear this every single day. Like, this is work friendly. You smelling good. Like, the baby powder touches give me like just fresh. Like, you smell fresh out the shower. Like, it just smells so good, y'all. If you've ever smelled Prada Candy before, let me know down below in the comments. Let me know if I'm tripping. I remember being in middle school and I don't remember where I would get these little roll-on oils from, but I used to always get the baby powder roll-on oil and wear it to school. So this what that reminds me of. It like takes me back. but Prada Candy is a for sure yes for me, like no doubt about it. As far as how long it lasts, I would say maybe about it lasts for a few hours. I can't say quite a full work day, maybe like 5 or 6 hours I would say. But I still have had people like compliment me, you know, like I'm getting on the elevator to go home, and that's like at the end of the day. But for me personally, smelling it like on myself, maybe like I would say about 6 hours or so, which is, I think it's great. But obviously people are still smelling it when I walk by or when I enter a room, things like that. Y'all, I'm telling you, if y'all haven't listened to nothing else I told y'all about these perfumes, this Prada Candy is like my favorite that I've tested out so far, like my #1, I think. But yeah, it smells really good. You will not be disappointed. Again, y'all, I'm telling you, get with SCENTBIRD. Like, you can try out your perfumes for the low each month. I have a link down in the description below where you can try out your very first month for free. Yes, for free. Hit that link down below. You will not be disappointed. I'm telling you. I've had questions in the past where people ask me, are you able to choose what scents you want to try? Absolutely. You can choose your cue to line up for the next few months if you want to. But yes, you can definitely choose what scent you want to try. So a hit with this one, with the Prada Candy. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that link down in the description below so you can try out your very first month for free. Yeah, so that you can go ahead and build up your collection as well. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful or if you liked it. Also, before you leave, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. Also, be sure to hit that bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. I do upload weekly here on this channel, and I will see you guys next week. Bye. Prada Candy. Prada Candy.